In today's video, we're going to dive into the incredible effects of the passive hang exercise on your body when performed on a daily basis. We're going to unveil how this simple yet powerful movement can work wonders, not just for your overall fitness, but also for streamlining your workout routine. Imagine a workout that not only targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, but also helps you cut down your exercise time. That's precisely what the passive hang brings to the table. It's a true gem in the world of fitness, being a compound exercise that engages various muscle groups all at once. In fact, you will want to hang around for the entire video because later we will be discussing how the passive hang is actually more effective at developing certain muscle groups than some of the more common isolation exercises that most fitness experts have commonly sworn by for ages. The passive hang is a simple exercise where you hang from a bar with your arms fully extended and your shoulders relaxed. All you need is a sturdy overhead bar or a set of gymnastic rings. This simplicity means you can quickly move from one exercise to another without spending time setting up various machines or equipment. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video because we're going to cover what you need to know to perform the passive hanging exercise properly so you can obtain the maximum results. Passive hangs can be easily integrated into your warm-up or cool-down routine. Hanging for a few seconds before or after your main workout can help activate and mobilize the shoulder girdle, increase blood flow to the upper body, and promote better joint health. This allows you to incorporate the benefits of passive hangs without adding extra time to your main workout. Passive hangs typically don't require long rest periods between sets, since they are bodyweight exercises that don't put excessive strain on the central nervous system. Shorter rest periods mean you can keep your heart rate elevated, leading to improved cardiovascular fitness and potentially reducing overall workout time. Let's cover some of the ways performing the passive hang exercise for just a few minutes a day can greatly impact your overall health. One of the most obvious benefits is decompression of the spine and joints. Hanging from a bar can provide a gentle traction on the spine, decompressing the vertebrae and promoting spinal health. This may be particularly useful for individuals with back pain or those who spend long hours sitting. Additionally, the gravitational pull from hanging helps to gently stretch and decompress the joints of the body as well. Since hanging exercises use body weight as resistance, they put less stress on the joints compared to some heavy isolation exercises that involve external weights. This makes them a safer option for many individuals, especially those with joint issues or injuries. The passive hang helps in strengthening and stabilizing the muscles around the shoulder blades, including the rhomboids and lower trapezius, which are important for maintaining a straight posture and reduced neck and shoulder tension. As a result, passive hangs can complement or replace isolation exercises like scapular retractions or shoulder blade specific exercises. The passive hang effectively engages the latissimus dorsi, commonly called the lats, which are the large muscles of the back. This makes it a potential replacement for some lat isolation exercises. While it may not be as targeted as some isolation exercises, it provides a compound movement that activates the lats along with several other upper body muscles. The passive hang is an excellent replacement for exercises that specifically target grip strength and forearm development, such as forearm curls or wrist curls. In a study that compared different grip training methods, it was found that hanging exercises produce significantly greater gains in grip strength compared to exercises like wrist curls or grip squeezes. When hanging, your grip is continuously engaged, and the longer you can hold the position, the more your grip strength will improve. Hanging exercises mimic real-life movements like climbing, pulling, and hanging from objects, making them highly functional. The strength gained from these exercises can be directly applied to various activities and sports. This is particularly beneficial for climbers, athletes, or anyone who needs to improve their grip strength for functional reasons. During hanging exercises, the core muscles are engaged to stabilize the body and prevent excessive swinging. This constant core activation helps develop a strong and stable core, contributing to better posture and overall functional strength. To make your workout even more time efficient, you can combine passive hangs with other exercises. For example, you can perform a set of passive hangs followed by a set of active hangs, which involves engaging your shoulder and core muscles while hanging to a greater extent than the passive hang. You can then move on and progress to other exercises like pull-ups or hanging leg raises. This way, you target various muscle groups back to back without taking long breaks in between. We will cover more about how you can learn to perform the active hang exercise later in the video. You can also try supersetting. Supersetting involves performing 2 exercises consecutively without resting in between. You can incorporate passive hangs as part of a superset with other upper body exercises. For instance, you could perform a set of passive hangs, followed immediately by a set of push-ups. This keeps your muscles engaged, maintains intensity, and reduces rest time, ultimately shortening your overall workout duration. Another benefit of the passive hang exercise is that it can be used as a form of active recovery between more intense sets or exercises. Hanging can help flush out lactic acid and reduce muscle tightness, allowing you to recover faster and perform better in subsequent sets. Performing the passive hang exercise is relatively simple, but it's essential to execute it with proper form to avoid unnecessary strain on your muscles and joints. In order to perform the passive hang exercise, you will need to locate a stable pull-up bar or any similar sturdy object that can support your body weight. Make sure the bar is high enough so that your feet don't touch the ground when you hang. Next, you need to locate a stable platform, sturdy box, or step that is of an appropriate height to allow you to reach the pull-up bar comfortably. Using a platform to reach the pull-up bar allows individuals with limited upper body strength or vertical reach to perform the passive hang exercise safely and effectively. It reduces the risk of injury that may result from attempting to jump or pull up to the bar without sufficient strength. Additionally, it enables beginners to build confidence and gradually develop the required upper body strength to perform the passive hang without assistance in the future. Step up to grip the bar with both hands with your palms facing away from you. Position your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, or at a comfortable width that allows your shoulders to remain relaxed. Once you've grabbed the bar, allow your body to fully extend with your arms straight. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid shrugging them up towards your ears. Engage your core to maintain a neutral spine. The term passive hang implies that you should allow your hands to relax their grip on the bar. Don't squeeze too tightly. Instead, let your body weight be supported by your shoulder and back muscles. This relaxed grip is essential to experience the full benefits of the exercise. Avoid swinging and keep your body as still as possible during the hang. Swinging can strain your shoulders and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Take deep breaths while hanging. Try to hold the position for as long as you can comfortably maintain proper form. Beginners might start with 20, 30 seconds and gradually increase the duration over time. To finish the exercise, slowly lower yourself down with control until your feet touch the platform or box. Avoid dropping suddenly, as this can be hard on your joints. As with any exercise, it's crucial to listen to your body, and if you feel any sharp pain or discomfort during the hang, stop immediately. It's essential to respect your body's limits and avoid pushing yourself too hard. If you're interested in learning how to properly perform the active hang exercise, as well as some additional tips on the passive hang exercise, then you'll definitely want to watch this video. Thanks for watching.